Oh, that went well.
Dang wind.
Here, I'll block the wind.
Oh, Mark, Alec, that was not how we meant it to be. Okay, that's one person. Next person.
Come here, Mark. Let's light yours.
Hey, can you?
Right up here. Right up here, Mark. Right here. Get it in here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Did it get too hot, Caleb?
yeah, it got me.
Sure, that's cool.
Okay, it's a blue-green.
Mine just went right into my face. Mine.
Sometimes they pop a little bit.
All right. Hold on.
Now it's wet.
Oh, no.
Wow.
Purple. Yeah, look at
Purple
purple.
rock. So cool.
Oh, it comes off the backside and got me purple.
Can I see it?
There's a car coming. No, my hand is purple. Just like that match, I tried to light it again.
Hey, can I try yellow? Oh, it's too dark.
Oh, the yellow did come.
Whoa! That took a lot of... Whoa! We're going to have to clean this area up.